A wise man once said, if you believe you can, or if you believe you cannot, you are correct. It simply means, guys, if you believe that you can do anything you put your mind to, it means that it can become a reality. If you believe that you cannot do it, then it will never become a possibility. Welcome, guys. Welcome to another video. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to DiAndersons. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button, and make sure that you leave a comment. It's very important, guys. As we embark on another video, guys, we would like to encourage everyone who is watching this video to keep positive. Know that the law of attraction is real, guys, and whatever your mind conceive, it can be achieved. It doesn't matter your present situation, guys. It doesn't matter where you are in your life at this present moment. Have faith, keep positive, and know that anything you put your mind to will become a reality. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Thank you so much even more for hitting on that subscribe button. Thank you so much for being a part of this Canadian journey with us. We do all things Canada related. We share our experiences here in Canada. Thank you so much, guys. Let's get into the video. See you guys in the next clip. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Dems here. Welcome back to another video. It's Sunday currently, January 16th, I think, 2022. It's another winter day, guys, but you know what? It's not that cold today. What I will be doing today, guys, I will be taking my friend on his very first driving experience in Canada. Now, as you guys may have known from previous video, I have a friend. He's currently here in Alberta. He recently moved 2 weeks ago, and he came straight from the island of Jamaica. So in case you guys are wondering, the driving rules and everything in Jamaica is totally different than what it is here in Alberta. So this is going to be an adventure. This is going to be an experience. And if many of you guys are thinking of making the transition from another country to Canada, you can definitely watch this video and see if there's anything that you can learn, and that will make your transition a little bit easier. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, by the way, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button, and definitely leave a comment. That's also very important. It really helps us out a lot. Anyways, going on the road, guys, to see what's happening. See you guys in a bit. Yeah, guys, so this is Smalls Garden, aka Smalls, aka Kevin. This is his first time driving in Canada. Right, so as I was saying, many of you guys are probably wondering if there's any similarities or differences in driving in a new country. You definitely want to stick around for all of this video so that you guys can see if there's anything you can learn. All right, bro. So of course, driving is the same. The only thing that is different is you're on the opposite side, you're driving on the opposite side, and you're driving on snow. Right, so the rule of gas and brakes is different than what it is in Jamaica. Before you move off, you can't just press gas and move off. You have to put the car into drive, and then, or reverse, whatever you want to do, and then lift up off the brakes and then make the car move off before you actually press gas or brakes. It's very possible that you're gonna be stuck on snow, right? So if you're stuck on snow, then I'll show you how to maneuver that. But if we not get there, awesome. So guys, of course, it was inevitable to be stuck on snow. So quickly, as I'm maneuvering, getting off this block of ice that I'm stuck on, what am I doing? Now, I'm just rocking the vehicle back and forth. And that is a maneuver that you have to do in an effort to get unstuck, right? So if you're ever stuck on snow, guys, and you are like wondering what to do, don't panic. Put your car in a motion of back and forth. You put it in drive, you move forward, you put it in reverse, it goes backward, and you do that for a little while until you realize that you get more grip, more traction, and then definitely it allows you to move off the block of ice that you're stuck on. Hi guys, so we're here doing some driving lessons. Not driving lessons, but Alberta driving lessons, because Small's been driving for a while. But of course, we're driving on the opposite side of the road, and there are certain rules that are a little bit different. So driving here in Alberta is a little bit different than driving in other places around the world. Now, many persons are always messaging, what are some of the stuff that you have to be cognizant for when you're driving here? Obviously, guys, one of the biggest factors here is the road conditions. You are dealing with snow. which is different than, of course, a tropical country that doesn't have snow. You don't have to consider the fact that snow equal ice, equal sliding, equal accident, equal all sorts of other factors. So you have to be careful and conscious of every single thing as the rear is concerned, in terms of the fact that when you're stopping takes longer. When you're moving off takes longer. And also when you're turning, the possibility of drifting is very possible. So you have to take that into consideration. But ultimately, guys, driving is just driving. You drive on the opposite side of the road, which is sometimes a little bit confusing for persons who are coming, especially from Jamaica, where you drive on the left in Jamaica. Here you drive on the right. So that's an adjustment. But the longer you do it, the more comfortable it becomes, because even myself right now, I don't even think I can drive on the left anymore. Yeah, I make a right turn because we're going back on the main. I don't even think I can drive on the left again. I think when I go back to Jamaica to visit, I'll be driving on the right, and then that might cause accidents and stuff. But yeah, ultimately, how does it feel, bro?
Feels good.
Feels the same?
Almost. It's still kind of hard adjusting to the left because I have to keep reminding myself, stick to the right. Adjusting.
Yeah, back on left. Yeah.
So
understand.
My brain is operating. Say, oh, I need to go over.
Start
to the
slow
left
down.
Yeah.
Before. Apply enough. Apply enough. And then slow down. Stop. Right. Here, sir. And then gradually now can cruise to where you want it to go. You get my sir? So green light, we're good to go. Yeah, smells not going bad still, you know. Don't get around the corner, as we tell her, because you might drift. Take your time. Perfect. Straighten up and go on Niagara. Nice and easy. Yeah, smells a big driver, man. But the thing is, slow moving off and stopping are the biggest things, guys, right here. You have to know when to stop. Like when you think you have enough time to stop, it's too late. I'm telling you guys, you have to start stopping a significant far further distance than where your mind tells you that you should stop. And that is one of the biggest things when you're becoming acclimatized to driving here. Like it might feel weird, but it is what it is, because you have to factor in the factor that you might be sliding. So you try to stop, but because there's ice on the road, oftentimes you can't see, and then it might cause you to slide, and you don't want to hit anybody in their backs, because that might be a challenge. Anyways, guys, I'll show you the road and show you guys what Smalls is doing so far. Oh yeah, I get that. Yeah, me feel like.
To the left?
No, it no matter. I go straight.
Straight. Oh.
Yeah. But myself, me feel that gradual, slow there. Yes, that is what you want. And now your green light, you can go and you go. That are the hardest thing to get. The conscious mind of knowing when to move off and when to stop until it become a second. So, brother, that just feel close. But I tell but you're good still, because based on the white line, I say you're good, but you just feel really close. We're gonna come over on the right because we're going to gas station.
Yeah, they block me.
Oh. When I used to passenger driving now.
Okay.
Nuts, it feels good to be chauffeured once in a while. I see why, yeah, I see why you don't want to drive, babes. But it feels good to be chauffeured. But yeah, we've got a gas station right there, so just pull up at N1 and think. Smalls is gonna pump his first gas here in Canada. No, second time he pumped it the other night. But I gave the card and I gotta do everything from scratch. So technically I'm gonna buy gas for the first time here in Canada.
Using the card for the first time.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Leave a like if you guys are proud of what he's doing so far. And then when he's done, I'll tell you guys a little bit about the driver's license process. And if you're moving from Jamaica, what you need to do in order to be able to drive immediately as soon as you land. But you have to make sure that you subscribe. So this is where you take a second and go and hit that subscribe button. Smart, tell them for subscribe.
Subscribe.
You hear that? Now, these are the simple things that many people... These are the simple things that people take for granted, guys. The fact that in Jamaica you have somebody to do this for you. But here you have to do it yourself. Watch Smalls are struggling with the gas tank. So first thing you do, you put in a card. Nope. Put it in right here, so. Turn it the other way. Nope. Yeah, slide it in our groove. Yeah. Not say your card man using. My telephone now. I'm gonna put it in that spin. Oh, point let me say. Hold on, need to tell her. So this is what it looks like, guys. It's currently processing. Hopefully not have money on our approve. Then you just take out a card. It says remove chip card. You take it out. Select, remove the nozzle.
Oh, so it could be anyone.
Remove your nozzle, then you select your gas. And then remember what I told you the other night? 87, 89 or 91, but I told you that 87 is basically like 19 in Jamaica. So that's the one I use. And because it's cheaper. So you put it in, do your thing. And then you can just relieve the bottom lever and lift it. Yeah, for like those winter days when you're not gonna have time to stand up outside until it's done, you can run back in your car until it's done. So Smalls was really taken off by the fact that he doesn't have to press the foot brake here because everything is flat. So you don't have to worry about your car running off or anything like that. And plus, yeah, we don't really have to worry about people at for carrying either. So that is something that nobody here practices. Now, of course, guys, we're just getting a little bit top up. So this is $20 gas we're buying. And $20 gas give me, as you can see, 15 and a half liters. And guys, I'm not exaggerating when I say that this 15 and a half liters might take me through the entire week. Legit. Because Grand Prairie is small, so we don't like spend a lot on gases and gas and stuff like that. So that's something that is very good. Is it locked? Yeah. Well, on this one, so let me just get a double check. All right, good. All right. Look. Hey guys, so I'm back home. I wanted to talk to you guys quickly about the driver's license process of here in Alberta. Now, if you're moving from Jamaica, guys, many persons are wondering what they need in order to start driving immediately. Now, you can get an international driving permit, which allows you to drive for a maximum of 1 year until it expires. And then you can use that. You can use that in Alberta to drive. And you can also use that to buy a car and to insure a car at some places. Now, not everywhere allows you to insure a car using an international driving permit, but some places do. So you can definitely consider that. The other thing is you can use your regular driver's license, but you can only drive for a limited amount of time using it. I think it's 1 month or 3 months. Not quite sure right now. So if it is that you come with your regular driver's license, you can use it temporarily until, you know, you're straighten out your own driver's license. Now, eventually you're going to have to convert that driver's license into a Canadian license, depending on the province that you are in. Now, guys, that's a process in of itself. I do not know what the process is like in other provinces, but in Alberta, you have to do a knowledge test and you have to do a road test in order to get an Albertan license. If it is that you don't have a driver's license and you want to apply for a driver's license in Alberta, you are given a class 7, which is equivalent to a learner's license. Now, that allows you to drive along with someone else, so you know, throughout the learning process and stuff like that. But here's the thing, guys. If you haven't had a driver's license from your home country, you're going to have a class 7 for at least 2 years. And then after that period of time is finished, then you go up to the class 5, which is like the general driver's license. Now, if it is that you have a driver's license from your home country, then you are given a class 7 once you pass your knowledge test, but as soon as you pass your road test, you can apply for your class 5. So there's no real waiting period where that is concerned. Persons always want to know, do I need an abstract? No, you don't. In Alberta, you don't need to necessarily come with an abstract in order to get your Alberta license, because the license center will request that abstract from Jamaica on your behalf, regardless. So you can, or you can, if it's kind of like you can do it if you want, but you don't need to do it, kind of a thing. Yeah, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. You guys, as you can see, Malia is hanging out with me today. Right? Say hi. Yeah, she's not ready to say hi yet. Yeah, she's hanging out with me today. We're just chilling. Thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way to the end. Hopefully you guys found some information that's very useful for you guys. Consider hitting that subscribe button, guys. Hit that like button and definitely share the channel. We are en route to 10,000 subscribers for 2022. That's our goal. That's our aim. That's what we want to achieve this year. Help us get to that goal. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Share the channel. Share the video. Share. Thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Use patwa. Say bye-bye. Say a little more. Yeah, she's not having it. Talk to you guys in the next video, guys. See you.